Happy birthday, founder Esteban Sueñas.
Uy, balita ko birthday mo daw. Anyway, happy birthday, co-founder Pogi Steven Sonyas, ayan, ng Team Katropa, na may marami pang kaarawan ang iyong maipagdiwang, and of course, wishing you good health and happiness, no? Go lang tayo dito kay Sokmed, at kasama mo ang kapamilya One Lodi Love sa journey mo dito kay Sokmed. Ayan, good luck and God bless and enjoy your big day, Pogi. Happy birthday!
Morning! Happy birthday, Sir Esteban. Simple lang yung wish ko, stay healthy and blessed and more hair to come. Happy birthday!
Hi, Esteban. Happy 54th birthday. Ay, 54th birthday mo ba? Ay, nako, sorry. Basta happy birthday. I wish ko sa iyo, good health, tsaka long life. Sana dumami na yung ngipin mo. Ayun lang. Happy birthday!
Hi, Kuya Esteban. Ayan, I would like to greet you. Happy birthday. Of course, continue mo lang po ang iyong kasipagan bilang ama, no? At mahalin ang iyong pamilya. Wish you all the best at bawal po magkasakit kasi provider po kayo ng iyong pamilya. Ayan. Keep it up po. Ayan, magiging content creator. Okay, happy birthday again from Tris Marias at sa from Regina's Teamwork USA. Ayan, thank you.
Iiyak na yan. Uy, wag ka munang umiyak. Happy birthday, Kuya Founder Esteban. Ayan, alam ko na nagtaka kung bakit talaga parang pilit talaga kita makapunta today. And I hope na na-surprise ka namin kahit sa ganitong paraan lang. And happy birthday. Happy 44th birthday po sa iyo. And stay mabait, cool, at masipag. Ayan. So, Team Katropa is very proud to have you as one of our founders. Ayan. Thank you so much. And yet, thank you for always there. And tawag dito, always guiding din sa team natin. And lalo na sa mga desisyon, nagbibigay ka din ng mga payo and opinions, and nakikinig ka din. So maraming salamat po, and I really appreciate it. At syempre, isa ka sa tumulong na matatag ang Team Katropa. Kaya ako ay lubos na nagpapasalamat. Sana po ay walang magbago at patuloy po at palawakin natin at patatagin ang Team Katropa. Ayan. Of course, kasama ang buo nating mga collaboration team. Ayan, ang Minimi Fashionista, Team Tulungan Support Each Other, Team Regina's Teamwork USA, Team Yamson, and of course, Kapamilya One Lodi Love. Siyempre, ang Tris Marias. Ayan. Maraming salamat, Kuya Founder Esteban, and happy birthday.